How to clear your Twitter search history. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually clear your search history on Twitter. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we actually want to do is simply make sure we have actually updated the Twitter app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's respective app stores. In the search box, type in Twitter and go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated it, I'm going to simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are simply logged into your account. Now, in order to clear our search history, first of all, we are going to simply tap on the search icon, like the magnifying glass icon from the bottom left hand side of the screen. As you tap on this magnifying glass icon at the top of the screen, tap on the search button. Again, as you tap on it, you'll basically be able to see a list of all of the people you have searched on Twitter. Now, these are different kind of filters. What you could do is, if you actually search for a particular keyword and then simply hit enter, you'll be able to see their names right over here at the bottom. If you actually search for a particular profile and then directly tap the profile from the filters list itself, you'd be able to see the profile picture along with the people you actually chose to search. Now, what you can do to delete is simply long press on any of it and then simply tap on the clear button to delete them one by one. However, let's say that this process is pretty time consuming for you and you have a lot of search history. In order to clear all of your search history, what you could do is simply tap on the cross icon on the top right hand side of the screen. So make sure you see that properly. You can see it says as clear all recent searches. This cannot be undone and you'll remove all your recent searches. So simply tap on the clear button right over here, and as soon as you do that, you can see our search history has been instantly cleared. And this is the way to how you can actually very easily clear your search history on Twitter. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.